Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to offer you some foreign exchange charts. And the first one I'd like to look at is the euro against the dollar. A bullish long white Mariposa yesterday, the second in a row, and the third bullish white soldier. This continues the capitalization of the move up from the recent quite volatile but still indecisive sessions. Prices moved up over the old filled-in April 2017 gap, which is between 107.77 and 108.20. They've been capping the market in recent days. Interestingly, the market actually closed right on the previously highlighted minor-looking congestion in the 108.80 area. We now have the lesser recent Fibonacci level at 109.62 further ahead. Meanwhile, below the previously old gap, we have the April 2017 low at 105.68. Today, we're in between the minor congestion at 108.80 and the 109.62 fib so far. Okay, I'd like once to go through and discuss the action over the last 3 weeks. Since the start of March till last week, Monday, Tuesday, we had what could be regarded as a very sharp and perpendicular head and shoulders top. 3 weeks ago was the left shoulder, 2 weeks ago was mostly the head, and last week was the right shoulder and the follow-on lower to reach its target for the move down in the 106.40 area. This whole action is starting to come back into the frame of today's action, as higher up we have the neckline of this move, which is currently at 109.99, which is also coincident with the short stroke medium moving average, currently at 110.05. Now, this head and shoulders top is such a sharp perpendicular outline that it reminds me of Salisbury Cathedral. So unless somebody comes up with a better name, I'm going to call it a cathedral head and shoulders top. The next chart to look at is cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A second bullish white soldier and a suitable follow-on higher to the recent bullish engulfing pattern. Prices tested properly the significant resistance of the middle time, currently at 119.52, of the big, mildly bearish 2016 to 2018 shift pitch hook. Just beyond that, we have a recent lesser Fibonacci level at 120.91, and then congestion from October 2019 starting at 122 even. Meanwhile, below was a newly constructed congestion based upon the October 2016 flash crash at 114.48 up to about 116.40. Meanwhile, today we're testing once again the middle time. The next chart to look at is euro against sterling. After the recent rare bearish treble pattern, or bearish stick sandwich pattern actually, we had a suitable attempt lower yesterday. However, the day ended up with an indecisive spinning top pattern, and we're hanging once again around the previous 2 days closes so far. We've now a new March downtrend currently at 92.41 and a potential March uptrend currently at 90.71. And this is suspiciously starting to look like a pennant. Watch out for that. Further down, we have some recent minor congestion between 91.05 and 91.45 and a lesser recent Fibonacci level at 90.32 with last week's low at 89.80. The recent 50% Fibonacci lower level is lower at 88.87. The next chart I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Indian rupee. After a day of closure, we had a gapping lower move today with what looks like right now a bearish long black Mariposa. This went straight down through the projected 100% Fibonacci level at 75.60 and gapped down through the earlier projected 50% Fibonacci level at 76.10. The market started to approach the combination of the former projected 50% Fibonacci line at 75.10 and the late February today uptrend currently at 74.94. I just wish to note that we have an unfilled gap below from 74.66 down to 74.55. The final chart I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Brazilian real. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a suitable follow-on lower to the previous session's bearish hanging man pattern. The market pierced but halted just over the significant early March high at 502.86. Just as a reminder, we still have overhead the significant projected 50% Fibonacci line at 522.26 and the all-time high at 525.44, whilst below we have the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 494.76. So in any time, good trading and stay safe.